Are you sick and tired of using usernames and passwords and updating passwords and so forth? Because there is an easier way. Get an electronic ID. It's so simple. You just take your physical ID and you convert it to an electronic ID on your phone, like Grape ID. It's a simple smartphone app that is lightweight, and it's there when you need it to log in, and it's out of the way when you don't need it. When you use a smartphone-based electronic ID, it means that you never have to create a password again and a username. You won't have to update them or forget them or reset them or manage them. In fact, you won't even need a password manager. And you don't need a authenticator app, because two-factor authentication, all of the authentication is handled within the electronic ID to make your life simple. Just scan a QR code on a website and you're logged in. And if you want an even easier way to log in, you install the browser extension, then you click login on any website and you're logged in. And not only is it simpler, but it's safer, because literally every time you log in to any website that's connected to Grape ID, when you log in, it changes your password every single time. So your life is not only simpler and safer, but ultimately it gives you complete control over your identity, your credentials, and your data, because it can be used for many other things. Just like, your photo ID can be used for many things, your electronic ID can be used for many other things. So you've got to get an electronic ID. In 10 years from now, I predict over 90% of Americans will be using an electronic ID. So click the link around the video and sign up, get started today. And oh, did I mention, it's completely free, no ads, no ulterior motives, no anything, just pure control over your identity and credentials. Get started today, click the link around this ad.